This right here might be one of the most useful gadgets you can carry around daily, and honestly, I didn't expect it to like it this much. Welcome back to Supatech. Today, we're checking out the Oraimo PowerJet 501, a compact power bank built for people who are always on the move. We look at the design, charging speed, ports, and whether it actually works fine. So let's get straight into the unboxing experience. Inside the box, we've got the user manual, the necessary paperwork and instructions, and of course the USB Type-C Type 100-watt cable included in the package. And for the price, I got this for around 65,000 naira, which is equivalent to 48 USD at the time of making this video. Now, let's take a look at the power bank itself. Wow, this actually looks really nice. My first impression, the design is clean and minimal, which I honestly like. It feels solid in the hand, not too bulky, and it fit into a backpack or everyday carry setup without any problem. Oraimo kept the overall look simple, but in a good way. And honestly, sometimes simple is better. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join Supatech family for more tech reviews like this one. Looking around the device, you've got multiple charging options depending on your setup. You can charge up to 4 devices at a time, which is actually really useful. You've got 2 USB Type-C ports and 2 USB Type-A port right here. So whether you're charging a smartphone, earbuds, smartwatch, tablet, or even a laptop, this thing handles everyday charging pretty well. And this is where it gets interesting. For something this compact, the charging capability is actually impressive. Alright, so currently the power bank is sitting at 64%. You can also see the power button right here. If you press the power button and hold it for 3 seconds, the power bank automatically switches off. Now in terms of output, you've got up to 30-watt output support here, alongside the 70-watt charging support, which also doubles as the input port for charging the power bank itself. And honestly, the overall build quality feels really solid. You also get a strong handle strap right here, which makes it easier to carry around. And considering this is a massive 50,000 mAh power bank, portability is actually important. Now let's set the charging with different devices. First, let's try my tablet. As you can see, it starts charging immediately and handles it perfectly fine using the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Now let's test something bigger on my laptop, and honestly this is where the PowerJet 501 becomes really impressive. It handles laptop charging surprisingly well. I've tested this multiple times already, and the charging experience has been stable. You can see the battery percentage increasing right there. In just a few minutes, it's already gained a few percent, which is actually pretty decent. Now let's try something smaller. This right here is a smaller 3000 mAh power bank, and as you can see, the Oraimo PowerJet 501 charges without any problem. And yes, that's charging perfectly too. Let's also test the smartwatch, and yes, that's charging perfectly too. So basically, this power bank handles multiple parts of the device comfortably. Now for size comparison, this right here is 10,000 mAh power bank, and compared to the Oraimo PowerJet 501, you can really see the size difference. And beside the 30,000 mAh version here, this one is definitely bigger. But honestly, it's so excessively bulky considering the massive battery capacity inside. Now let's quickly at charging speed for the power bank itself. Remember, the same 70-watt port used for charging laptop also doubles the input port for charging the power bank. And as you can see, it's currently charging properly. Alright, so that's pretty much everything in the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the very next one.